We've got some big news today. A massive leak from Samsung has revealed almost everything about the Galaxy S24 FE, including its specs, design, colors, and features. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about the design and colors. The S24 FE keeps a similar look to the classic Galaxy S24 style, featuring a flat front and back with glass panels, flat aluminum sides, and rounded corners. But if you look closely, you'll notice that the bezels are slightly thicker, especially around the bottom of the screen. The difference in bezels isn't huge, but it's definitely noticeable. Now, about the colors. Samsung is offering the Galaxy S24 FE in 5 stunning options: blue, graphite, mint, silver, and yellow. Moving on to the display. The phone sports a 6.7-inch OLED screen with full HD plus resolution, a 120Hz refresh rate, and a peak brightness of up to 1100 nits. The screen is protected by Gorilla Glass Victus Plus, and the phone has an IP67 rating, making it resistant to water and dust. As for the cameras, the front has a 10-megapixel selfie camera. On the back, there's a 50-megapixel main camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and an 8-megapixel telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom. Under the hood, the Galaxy S24 FE has the latest Exynos 2400 processor in most markets. However, if you're in the US, you might get the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy chip instead. Samsung is sticking with its usual approach, but you can expect great performance either way. It's interesting to note that for the past few years, Samsung has been using a chip from the previous year in their FE phones. It's good to see that won't be the case with the S24 FE. As for RAM and storage, it's not officially confirmed yet. We're likely looking at 8 or 12 gigabytes of RAM with either 128 or 256 gigabytes of storage. Battery life is always important, and the S24 FE has a 4,565 mAh battery, which is between the capacities of the S24 and S24 Plus. Samsung says you can get up to 78 hours of audio playback and 29 hours of video playback on a single charge. The phone will come with Android 14 and One UI 6.1.1 right out of the box. Here's something cool. The S24 FE will have all the AI features from the Z Fold 6, like Portrait Studio and Sketch to Image. The S24 FE will also have other AI features like Generative Edit, Circle to Search, and Live Translate, among others. We don't know the exact price yet, but since Samsung increased the price of the Galaxy S24 lineup this year, the S24 FE will probably cost around $649 in the US. With all these features, you might be wondering how the S24 FE compares to the S24 and S24 Plus. The main differences are in screen size, battery capacity, bezel thickness, display brightness, Gorilla Glass protection, and IP rating. The S24 FE is expected to be much cheaper than both the S24 and S24 Plus, making it a more budget-friendly choice. If you're curious about what Samsung has planned for the Galaxy S25, which is rumored to have design elements from the Galaxy XR, be sure to click here. See you there. Let me know if there's anything else you need.